Hi there, my name is Stephanie Phillips. I am a clutter coach for the Mind, Soul, Spirit, and Space with Stuck is Temporary. I am here for your Manic Monday nervous system reset. So, what is a nervous system reset? It's basically taking your flying brain that is going in a million different directions, 100 miles an hour, and putting in a pit stop or a pause button. That's what a nervous system reset is. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take it really simple, since this is the first, and take a breath, an intentional breath. Stephanie, I know how to breathe. Your body knows how to breathe. But when your brain starts going a million miles an hour and you are standing still, sometimes your body stops breathing. So I notice when I am very anxious and when my brain is just going to too many things, I hold my breath. And so one of the things that I have learned to do with this work, with this practice, is to intentionally breathe to reset my brain. There's a few ways that you can do this. One, you just breathe in and breathe out. Do it through the nose, through the mouth, at whatever cadence you like. But breathe in and out a couple of times, just intentionally. Notice that your brain is going too fast and intentionally breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. That's one way to hit kind of a pause button or a slow down button. The next is focus on something. Focus on something else when you are breathing. So depending on your nature and how your brain works, focus on something that has detail so that you can focus on the details. It tricks your mind to doing something else so that when you come back to what you were originally thinking about, you have more clarity. You have more focus on that particular thing because your brain needs a break. And in the way that the world works today, especially with the technologies that we have, your brain doesn't often get one. So you have to provide that. So you look at something that has detail and you look at the different details. Take, for instance, this blanket. What colors are in it? What is the pattern? What do you think it's made out of? What's the thread count? These different things can help you reset your brain. Or if your brain works a different way and this is too much, then you focus on something that's calming for you. So a calming color like this green, a calming color, and you focus on that and you breathe in and you breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. And what your goal is going to be is to lengthen your exhales. So you breathe in, and then every time you breathe out, make it a little bit longer. And that's going to help you reset your brain. It's going to help with that nervous system craziness. It will help calm it down and bring it down. So pay attention, because Manic Mondays is now going to be this little tidbit of information every Monday. And I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it. I hope it helps. Love some feedback in the comments. Thank you.